Presenting the 2013 Ford Shelby GT500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are boost gauge, SVT track pack, includes external engine oil cooler, rear bench seats, limited slip differential, mechanical, rear-wheel drive, compressor, intercooled supercharger, and video monitor location, front. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.